Recent violent incidents involving young people have sparked fresh concerns about children's mental health. This has prompted experts to call for closer coordination among parents, teachers, and schools to help identify early warning signs and provide timely support. Mobile journalist Daniel Dayaw has the report.
As concerns grow over violent incidents involving young people, psychologists are calling for stronger partnerships between schools, teachers, and parents to help identify behavioral changes early and better support children's mental health.
It's partly true and partly false. Kasi hindi lang naman talaga ina-attribute yung pagiging violent or pagiging aggressive ng isang bata sa violent video games. Kailangan nating tignan is the environmental factors ng isang bata, house, home, parents, family members, yung school setting.
According to psychologists, a child's behavior cannot be linked to a single factor alone, as both online or offline environment plays a role in child development. Adding that digital literacy goes beyond screen time, encouraging teachers and parents to teach and lead children in using technology responsibly.
Ang developmental age is tuloy-tuloy naman talaga yan. So ang isang environment ng isang bata is nurturing ka agad, sinusuportahan, sinusupervise ka agad. Kung bibigyan nila ang mga anak nila ng mga kanya-kanya nilang gadgets, dapat nagkakaroon tayo ng mga family meeting, nasasabi natin kung hanggang saan ang pwede nilang gawin.
Psychologists also stress the role of teachers in first noticing a student's behavior, saying that early intervention, open communication, and close coordination can help address problems before they escalate.
Doon papasok ang tulong din ng mga teachers or ng school setting kasi sila din ang ang isa sa mga nakakita ng mga changes of behavior ng mga estudyante. Ikaw na ang mismong magi-investigate. Pwedeng hindi mo muna sabihin sa magulang, backed by evidence ka muna, and then when you have that sufficient evidence, then ask the parents anong nangyayari, ano yung behavior sa bahay, or other way around.
Meanwhile, beyond the classroom, psychologists continue to push for greater mental health awareness, saying Filipinos should not hesitate to seek professional help when needed. They also call for stronger support for mental health services, especially to the government.
First and foremost, we have to talk about mental health freely. Wag natin siyang gawing stigma, wag natin siyang gawing kinakahiya ng isang tao. Nalulungkot kami, may mga agencies tayo na hindi talaga fully sinusupport ang mental health.
Kapatid Mobile Journal, Daniel Dayaw, we are One News.